So hello guys, how are you? Today in this video we study object-oriented programming and its real-life examples. So what is exactly object-oriented programming? Which is based on object which contain data and method. There are four important pillars of our OOPS, which is encapsulations, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. So one of the important which is encapsulation. So what is exactly encapsulations? It is bundling our data and methods into a single unit, and it is a restricting the access from unauthorized users. So we can understand our encapsulation through ATM machines. In ATM machines, a user can interact only with the interface, like inserting card, entering PIN, and selecting the option. The internal process, such as verifying PIN, accessing your account balance, and updating our balance after transaction, these are hidden from you. The ATM machine ensure data which is protected from direct access, and only authorized actions can be performed. The one of the key benefit of our encapsulation, it is that it is give the data security and prevent unauthorized access by exposing only necessary operations. So next pillar, which is inheritance. Inheritance means parent class inherit the property to the child class inherit the property of parent class. This is called as inheritance. So real life examples, the vehicle, which is a parent class, which have a common attribute like wheel engine, and our child classes like car and bike. These inherit the common features of our common features and attribute and behavior of our child, like child class like wheels and engine. Car which have a car which have four wheels, and bike might have a two wheels that kickstart and bike have a kickstart mechanism, and these allow our child classes to use the parent code for a specific use case. The key benefit of our inheritance, which is promote the code reuse and hierarchical classification, making easier to manage and extend. So, third pillar of our OOPS, which is a polymorphism. The meaning of polymorphism is many forms. Object exist in many forms. The ability of different objects to respond uniquely to the same methods. So, real life example of our polymorphism. Take an electric socket. A standard electrical socket can accommodate various types of plugs, such as a phone charger, laptop charger, or fan plug. When a device is plugged in, it interacts with a socket differently based on its requirement. For instance, a phone charger draws less power, while a laptop charger might draw more power. The socket provides common interface, but the behavior of power consumption varies based on the device. So K benefit, it is that it is a flexible dynamic behavior, allow object to use and interchangeable while maintaining the user functionality. So the last pillar of OOPS, which is abstraction. What is exactly abstraction? It is hiding implementation details and showing only essential features of an object. So real life example of our abstraction, which is a driving car. Suppose you drive a car, you can interact with steering wheel, accelerator, and brakes, but you don't know how engine converts your fuel into motion and how your braking system works internally. The car abstracts the complex process and provides a simplified interface for driver to operate it. This abstraction allows the user to focus on driving tasks rather than technical details. So, key benefit of our abstraction, it is that it reduces the complexity and allow user to work with high level functionality without worrying about implementation detail. So in next part we see the summary of our presentations. In our presentation we learn encapsulation, which is secure the data and restrict the access, and inheritance, which is reuse the properties and behavior. In polymorphism, it is enabled and flexible interaction. In abstraction, it simplifies the complex system, and the benefit of OOPS, which is a modular code and easier to maintain and scalable, and enhance the programming and solving capability. So thank you. If anyone have any doubt, they can ask in comment section, and I also provide the PPT's link in description. Thank you.